Hi, do you often feel caught up in a trap of comparing yourself with others? Don't you think your life might be different if you decide to stop comparing yourself with others? Hi, this is Sharayu Sagar. I am a life and happiness coach. Friends, today I am going to share with you 5 simple techniques that will help you to come out of the mindset of comparing yourself with others to the mindset of doing something productive so that you can achieve great things in your life. But before that, let me tell you, if you are the one who compares yourself with others for different reasons, then you are not alone. I have done that. I have been through these situations. Over the years, I have compared myself with others plenty of times. I have compared myself with others when it came to school, looks, money, and many different things. I know it doesn't sound that good, but without acknowledging it, it would be hard to stop. Friends, many people compare themselves to others too. In fact, every one of us has done this at some point in our life. Friends, people generally compare themselves with others just to determine how well they are doing in their life. But it doesn't give that good feeling about ourselves. While in some circumstances it can be motivating and inspiring to compare yourself with others, but in most circumstances it is negative. It may lead to a feeling of defeat because you may feel that you are not as good as someone else. It also leads to the wastage of your time because you spend most of the time comparing yourself with others and then you hardly have enough time to do what you really wanted to do. Friends, comparing yourself with others takes away your valuable time and the moments from your life. And the unhappiness in the process of comparing yourself with others is never ending. To put it simply, by comparing yourself to others, it's just like holding yourself back. Now I know that telling yourself to stop comparing yourself with others is easier than doing, because in today's world with social media and how everything seems to be put on full display to the world, it's very easier to compare yourself with others. But you need to stop doing it in a negative way. By doing so, it will help you to move on in your life, reach your goals, be happy for others, and much more. Friends, it is for sure that you may not reach your goals as quick as others can, or it may require much hard work for you than someone else, but it doesn't mean that everything is impossible for you. Everyone are on their different path in their life. There may be people that are more worse than you, that are not better than you. So instead of comparing yourself with others, you should focus on what you can do to make your dreams a reality. So now I'm going to share with you 5 different mindsets that will help you to shift your mindset of comparing yourself with others for many different things to a mindset of productivity so that you can achieve great things in your life. Mindset number 1. Understanding why comparing yourself with others can hold you back. This will help you realize that comparing yourself with others is often negative and it is not going to help you most of the times. You should think about why you feel the need to compare yourself with others and how is that impacting your life, your dreams, your goals. By realizing these things, you will be able to move forward in your life and stop wasting your time comparing yourself with others. Mindset number 2. Be happy for others. I know it's difficult, but instead of feeling jealous or feeling being a competition between you and the other person you are comparing yourself with, feel happy for the success of other people. Good things are going to happen to people, but it doesn't mean in any way that your life is less important than others. Plus, when you feel happy for others, you learn to accept yourself and let more positivity into your life. Mindset number 3. Be motivated, not competitive. It simply means that instead of feeling jealous and competitive about someone else with whom you are comparing yourself to, you can just turn that emotion into some inspiration and motivation. So hereafter, if you find yourself comparing with others, you could think about how you could possibly do something similar. You can use their achievements as an inspiration for your life and goals. So you can see that comparing yourself with others can not be entirely bad if you use that emotion for some positive means. Mindset number 4. There is no such thing like perfect life. Yes, no one is perfect. Once you realize that, you will find that comparing yourself with others was just a waste of time, because everyone has their different path, including you. Instead, you should accept your past and present, and you should realize how you can make changes for a better future. And also remember, please never compare your beginning with someone else's middle. You don't know how they have been through in their journey of accomplishing some things in their life. Instead of that, you be happy for others for their accomplishments and their achievements in their life. Mindset number 5. Think about your own dream life. So to stop comparing yourself with others, think about what does your dream life look like, because it will help you to realize the fact that everyone is on their own journey. So you have to find your own path to success and happiness. By thinking about your own dream life, it will help you to find where you are right now. What are you doing to achieve that dream life? If you are doing something to achieve that, where you are going wrong? What is that stopping you to achieve your dream life? What is that you can do differently so that you can achieve the goals in your life to live that dream life? So friends, instead of comparing your life with others, and if you have a sense that everyone is on a different path for their journey, you will automatically find different ways or action steps so that you can achieve your dream life. So this was all about 5 different mindsets that will help you to stop comparing yourself with others and achieve great things in your life, so that you live your dream life, you live your life by design and not by default. So friends, stop comparing yourself to others, because it's not going to help you in any way if it is a negative feeling. Instead of that, just think how you can turn that emotion into some motivation and inspiration for yourself and achieve great things in your life, achieve your dreams and goals. See you in my next video. This is Sharayu Sagar, your life and happiness coach. Bye bye. Take care.